MGZS 2024 Review. When you look at the competition, it quickly becomes clear that the MGZS faces a tough challenge. The compact SUV segment is filled with excellent rivals, all of which are comfortable, well-designed, and well-equipped. In particular, the entry-level model looks like great value for money. As well as its main competitor, the Nissan Juke, several other European models are also worth considering. These include the Citroën C3 Aircross, Peugeot 2008, Renault Captur, and Seat Arona. The Vauxhall Crossland is also a strong contender. Additionally, the Korean models Kia Stonic and Hyundai Kona should not be overlooked. Premium design. All eyes are drawn to the MGZS as it glides down the road, thanks to its sleek and modern exterior design. Starting with the leopard-shaped shoulder line of the car, which gives it a modern look, there are the London-style headlights, which include LED lights and daytime running lights, providing better visibility for the driver. MGZS has chrome accents on the premium grille, swept-back headlights, and many other features. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in the world of technology and innovation. Interior. The interior of the MGZS is undoubtedly a high-tech vehicle, as the range of smart features included in this model is not comparable to its price. With numerous options available on the steering wheel to give you complete control over the car, including an 8 touchscreen, steering wheel controls, a rear-view camera, Apple CarPlay, and much more, the MGZS ensures that you have everything you need to stay connected and in control while driving. Additionally, the MGZS boasts the largest armrest available to ensure the comfort and convenience of its passengers. Engines, performance, and drive. The MGZS offers a comfortable and quiet ride. The engine is designed to provide a smooth and easy driving experience. With a 1.5-liter engine, it can travel up to 100 kilometers with only 5.8 liters of fuel, giving it excellent fuel efficiency for its class. This efficient engine delivers a maximum power of 119 horsepower and 150 newton-meters of torque at 5,600 revolutions per minute. Price and models. The price of the new MGZS for the 2024 model year starts at $15,000 and goes up to $22,000, depending on what options you choose. Here's a quick breakdown. The basic model is $15,000. If you want some extra luxury, it'll be around $18,000. Add an automatic transmission and it's $20,000 for the basic model, or $20,500 for the luxury model. And if you want the 1.0T engine with all the bells and whistles, it's going to be $22,000. Safety. Not only are the finest details of the exterior what makes this car exceptional, but its safety is also worth noting. The MGZS has a reinforced body structure made with 70% high-strength steel, which ensures the safety and protection of passengers. The safety features in this model are designed for families, as they ensure their safety with numerous braking systems, such as ABS, EBD, ESP, CBC, HHC, and TCS, which enable great control over the car. In addition, there is the Child ISOFIX option, which provides additional safety for children. All in all, this car is a great guardian for you and your loved ones. Please feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in the world of technology and innovation. Until next time, remember to keep your eyes on the road and your mind on the future. Drive safely and stay curious.